Welcome to Zape Learning App.
Hello, my little math stars. Today, we're going to learn something exciting. It's called a fraction. Let's see what it means. Here's a circle. Do you see how it's been split into equal parts? Each part is the same size, just like pizza slices. Let's find out how many parts there are in total. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 equal parts in the whole circle. That means our total is 5. Now let's see how many parts are colored. Let's count the green parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 parts that are colored. When we say 4 out of 5 parts are colored, we write it like this: 4 over 5. That's a fraction. And we say it like this: 4/5. Let's pretend this circle is a pizza. If you eat 4 out of the 5 slices, you've eaten 4/5 of the pizza. Yum. Which of these fractions shows how many parts are colored? Yes, it's 4 over 5. Great thinking. We learned what a fraction is, how to count the parts, and how to say 4/5. You're becoming a math superstar. Bye-bye for now.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.